If you've ever had water overshoot your gutters during a heavy rain, you already know it can cause a mess fast. Today I'm checking out a simple solution that's designed to fix that problem before it starts. These are stainless steel gutter valley splash guards, and right out of the package you get 6 of them along with a bag of 50 matching screws. First impression, these are actually more solid than I expected. They're made from stainless steel, so they've got a nice rigid feel to them. Not flimsy, not something that's going to bend out of shape easily. The stainless steel construction is a big deal. That means these are built to resist rust and corrosion over time, which is exactly what you want for something that's going to live outside year-round. Rain, snow, heat, this is the kind of material that's meant to handle it without breaking down. Each piece also has pre-drilled holes, 8 per guard, which makes placement straightforward and consistent. So what these are designed to do is pretty simple but really important. When you've got a roof valley where 2 sections of roof meet, that's where the water really picks up speed during a storm. And instead of going nicely into your gutter, it can shoot right over the edge. That's where these come in. These guards sit right at that problem area and help redirect that fast-moving water back into the gutter where it belongs. So instead of water pouring over the side, splashing down around your foundation, or beating up your landscaping, they help keep everything controlled. And that's not just about convenience. Water landing in the wrong spot over and over can cause real issues. Erosion around your home, damage to flower beds, and even problems around your foundation if it goes unchecked. This is one of those small upgrades that can actually prevent bigger problems down the road. These are designed to be installed in a row using the included screws. Everything you need is in the box except a drill driver, and since the holes are already pre-drilled, it's more about placement than anything complicated. Getting 6 guards in the pack along with 50 screws is a nice touch. That gives you enough to handle multiple problem areas without having to order extra parts. Overall, this is one of those simple, practical products that solves a very specific problem. Solid stainless steel construction, straightforward design, and built to handle tough weather. It's not flashy, but it's definitely functional.